Hey guys, so I'm super happy right now. What the hell? What? Whoa, whoa, whoa. Whoa, whoa. Whoa. I'm getting spammed, guys. What? I'm getting spammed. Okay, so like I was saying, I'm on my account now, as you can see, and I thought I'd do a really cool video. So I'm going to be doing a hacked video, pretending to get hacked and see people's reaction. So first I'm going to change the thing to hacks. Then I'm just going to change this outfit quickly, because I don't want to look really nice. You're hacked. I love her how she I don't know. But a person on here before, they actually didn't care and they said, can I have her stuff? And I was like, girl, it's a prank. And then she was like, oh. So I blocked her because I thought it was with me. So, happy, yes. Oh, get off her account. Why the fun just... Oh, he's so cute. Oh, I feel like he'll give me the... Oh my god! Oh my god, I'm recording a YouTube vid. Oh my god! Is he like, you see it? Oh my god. JK's, well, if you're hacked, then I'll take it. I'll do anything, get off you meanie. Oh my god! Oh my god. You're so... Oh my god, you're so cute. It's a YouTube video. I would do anything. Okay. I'll forgive you, I guess. Okay, so that's love you. What's love you too? Okay, so she's alright. I'm gonna send him... I don't actually have any money. Don't judge me, please. Maybe an animation, because I have GoPro, so I'm just gonna send him a GoPro. I'm also gonna send happy holidays. I'm gonna be good. Okay, I only have these animations, and I only like this lollipop one, so... By the way, guys, hi, and check out my art book. Oh my god, I got a gift. And from this amazing girl. Oh my god, okay. So this person sent me a gift. Gave you a gift to make you feel better. Lil Emma, just open it. Okay, so she sent me a gift. So I'm going to go open it and see what she got me. Probably some useless stuff that she doesn't even want, but like, I didn't ask her to send me it, so it's fine. Oh my god! Wait, I already have this. No, I don't have it in this colour. Oh my god, thank you so much. Okay. So I'm gonna change my status again, so... I wasn't actually hacked, so I'm just gonna sort this out quickly. So, thank you so much for watching, okay, let me start again. Thank you so much for sending me this gift. I love it. I have it in like a burgundy kind of colour, but I really like this hair, so thank you so much. It's here. The colors are different, and I really like this hair, so thank you so much. And I'm gonna wear it right now because I love it. So I'm gonna wear fishnet tights still. I'm gonna put some shorts on with this top because oh my god, slay. Okay, I look ugly now, so I need to change my face quickly because that looks super cute. Hashtag screenshot. Okay, so I'm gonna check out that dude's arty right now. He said, please check out my art book. So, oh, what the hell? What? How do you... Here we go. View art books. Come on. You haven't done an art book, you silly Billy. What are you talking about? He said he's did an art book. He said... Wait a second. Is it? Oh my god, do you know anyone who gives gifts for my mail time? Oh, it's the wrong person. Oh my god, I'm so stupid. I would, but I only have girls. Oh, so sorry. Yeah, I'm sorry. So sorry. I know I don't know. So I'm gonna see his art book quickly because I actually looked at this one. So. Yep, art book. This is the art book. Oh my god, I'm so stupid. So gifts for whale time. Best help her get someone off their wish list. Not drip tops / hats. I'm not on laptop. Mini. I'm gonna put. I don't have a gift, but maybe I can buy something. So I'm gonna put. I have some dark ones, so maybe I can get something cheap. I'm gonna put. Maybe I can buy something from the shops. So I'm going to go to shopping, and I'm not sure what to get him though, because he's a boy. I'm not sure if there's going to be much boy clothes, you know what I mean? Maybe, guys, it's really hard. Maybe if I want like a sweater, like a boy black sweater. What if oh my god, that is so cute. Oh my god, I have to get that, but I haven't done these. Like, oh my god, why am I looking at these? I'm just gonna make myself jealous. This could be good if it was like in all black, but I don't exactly have enough diamonds for that. Oh my god, Lap Queen. I wish it was Lap King. I already have that, so it's fine. Okay, I actually can't find anything for boys really. Maybe I can just get a miss. Oh wait, I don't have money. Or I can maybe change the color. Ooh, that's nice. Oh my god, I can't find any. This would look cute if I made it all black. But I don't have enough money for that, so I think I'm just gonna get myself some accessories. Oh, this is cute. Very nice. Maybe I can go into the beauty clinic and get myself a new nose. That sounds really weird. Because this is my amazing, beautiful face. Being sarcastic, guys. I'm so lonely right now. I'm joking, I'm not lonely. I'm talking, of course I'm not lonely. I'm literally talking to a screen. What the hell? Why just normal? I ain't getting that still. I don't know why people like this noise. I just think it looks trashy. What the hell? That's giving nightmare. Okay, this is 200. I'm gonna get this, but I'm gonna change. What if I make it all brown? That looks kind. What if I make it like? All brown, like maybe black, or like. Hang on a second. Guys, where's my nose gone? Hey daddy, I want star coins now. I ain't even gonna bother reading it because I'm just gonna embarrass myself. I can't tell because that's driving me. My skin looks so beautiful. My skin looks so beautiful. My skin looks so beautiful. I'm getting that. I look so beautiful. I'm just joking, guys. I wouldn't do that to you. Why does that look weird? I don't know. I'm gonna change my outfit again because I want to. So, like, back off, please. I can do this. I'm pretty sure, you know, when we go shopping and there was that Nap Queen shirt. I'm pretty sure I have that shirt, and I thought it was really cute. So, I think I'm gonna see if I have. Yes, I do have it. It's just not in the grey colour. I haven't worn this because I think it looks trashy. I don't even know anymore, guys. That's what my beautiful face. Let's look at that contour. I get rid of him. He doesn't look that good, TBH. Okay. Why would this work? Don't do this to me. Okay, so we're gonna wear this lit thing. So yeah. We're gonna wear boots. No, I'm not gonna wear them. These look too fancy. Oh, yes, McQueen, you slay girl. Oh yeah. Oh yes. I love this outfit right now. Ooh, amazing. I love it. I'm actually digging it right now. I need to find a pose like this one. You can see my whole outfit. Oh my god, look at that contour on fleek. Look at that. Oh my god. Look how. Look at me. I look. I'm sorry, guys. I'm sorry. Oh, I know this video is being like boring as hell, but I just wanted to say I got my account back. Wait, what? Oh yeah, I can give an account away. The name of it is, you might already know it. It's the Slime747, but that I've changed the password now, so I can give it away. I need to be quick though, because I only have like 50 seconds left of the video. So Slime747, and the password is Rex123. So type in Slime747 and Rex123, and this is the account. I'm on level 5, and yeah. Actually, I'm not gonna give this account away because I want to send gifts to me. Wait, what? I didn't say anything. What?